are talking to someone in English.
The first few seconds go okay.
You say hello, they say hello.
And then nothing. My mind goes empty.
Leo, that silence feels long, doesn't it?
Emma, it feels like an hour. I panic and I just smile.
And then you walk away, right?
Yes, every time. I run out of words.
Here is the secret. You don't need more words. You need a simple system.
A system to keep the conversation going?
Exactly. Small phrases that pass the conversation back and forth, like a ball.
So the silence never wins?
Never. Welcome to the English room. Stay with us, because by the end, you will keep any conversation alive without running out of words.
Here is your map. Just 3 steps. React, add, ask.
React, add, ask. That's short.
Short is good. Think of a conversation like tennis.
Tennis? I'm terrible at tennis.
Then this is your lucky day. This tennis needs no running.
Okay, I'm listening.
When the ball comes to you, you don't hold it. You hit it back.
So when someone speaks, I should not go silent. I should send something back.
Exactly. React to what they said. Add a little of your own. Then ask a question.
React, add, ask. Keep the ball moving.
Perfect. Let's pick up the racket. Step 1 is the easiest. React. Just show you are listening.
How do I react?
Small words. Really? Oh, nice. That's interesting. No way.
So if you say, I went to the mountains last weekend, I can say,
Try it.
oh, nice. The mountains?
See? You already sound interested. That tiny reaction buys you time.
So, really is not empty. It keeps the ball in the air.
Yes. A reaction tells the person, keep going. I'm here.
No way. That's so simple.
You just reacted to me, Leo.
I did. It came out naturally.
Let's practice reacting. I'll tell you small things. You react.
Okay, hit the ball.
I got a new puppy yesterday.
Oh, really? That's exciting.
I burned my dinner last night.
Oh no, what happened?
Look, that time you reacted and you asked. You jumped ahead to step 3.
It felt natural, so I kept going.
That is the whole idea. When reacting feels easy, the rest follows.
So the silence comes because I skipped the reaction.
Exactly. Never skip the reaction. It's your first hit back.
Emma, can I tell you something embarrassing?
Of course. Go ahead.
Last year, at a friend's party, a man said, "So, how do you know the host?"
A perfect question. What did you say?
I said, "From work." And then silence. I just stared at my juice.
Oh, Leo, the juice moment.
The juice moment. He slowly walked away.
And here is the sad part. You had so much to say. You only needed to add one line.
Like, from work? We're on the same team. What about you?
Yes! React, add, ask. The man would have stayed all night.
No more juice moments. That's my new goal.
That's our whole lesson in one story. So step 2 is add. After you react, give a little piece of yourself.
How do I start?
Easy openers. Me too. That reminds me of. Actually,
So if you say you love coffee, I can say, me too. I drink 3 cups a day.
3 cups? That explains a lot, Leo.
Maybe 4 on a bad day.
And see, you added a detail, and now I have something to react to. The ball comes back to me.
So add gives the other person material.
Exactly. A conversation dies when nobody adds anything new.
React, then add a small detail.
Perfect. Your details are the fuel. Let's practice adding. React first, then add your own line.
Okay.
I watched a really scary movie last night.
Oh, no, really? I hate scary movies. I slept with the lights on for a week once.
A whole week?
Don't judge me, Emma.
I'm not judging, I'm reacting. And now I want to ask more. That's the point.
My little detail kept it going.
Yes. You don't need a big story. One honest detail is enough.
Small detail, big difference.
Exactly. Step 3 is the strongest. Ask. A good question keeps the ball in play. Which questions are best? Open ones. What happened next? How was it? What do you mean?
And not yes or no questions?
Right. Did you like it? Can end fast. What did you like about it? Opens the door.
So instead of, was it fun? I ask, what was the best part?
Now you're playing real tennis. That question needs a real answer.
Open questions keep the ball moving.
Yes. When you don't know what to say, ask. A question is never silent.
So I always have an escape. Just ask.
Always. Let's practice open questions. React, add, then ask.
Okay.
I started learning the guitar last month.
Oh, cool. I always wanted to learn an instrument. What made you choose the guitar?
Excellent. React, add, ask. All 3.
It flowed this time.
My hands hurt at first, but now it's fun.
Nice. What song are you learning?
And you kept going with another question. The ball is still in the air.
I didn't panic once.
Because you had a system, not just hope. One quick tip. After they answer, react again before your next question.
So I don't fire questions like a robot?
Exactly. Nobody likes an interview.
Name, age, favorite color?
Please, no. React first, then ask. It stays warm.
So, oh, that's great. And how long have you played?
Perfect. Warm, not cold.
React softens the question.
Yes.
If this is helping you, like the video so you can practice it before your next chat.
And stay with us. Next, what to say when your mind still goes blank. Sometimes your mind goes blank anyway. That's normal. So keep a few safe topics ready.
Safe topics, like a backup plan.
Yes. Weather, weekend, food, work, and where they're from.
Easy things everyone can talk about.
Right. Any plans for the weekend? Have you eaten here before? How was your week?
So if silence comes, I grab a safe topic.
Exactly. These are your emergency doors, always unlocked.
Weekend, food, work. Got it.
And notice, each one is a question. You're still asking, still passing the ball.
The safe topic is just another way to ask.
Now you understand it. Let's practice small talk with someone new.
Okay, we just met.
Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. I'm Leo. Nice to meet you. So, how do you know everyone here?
I work with the host. What about you?
Oh, nice. We're old friends. Have you been to one of these parties before?
Excellent. Safe topic, react, and ask back.
No juice moment this time.
The juice is safe. Well done.
I had 3 ways to keep going.
And that's why you felt calm.
Now, ask back. When someone asks you something, answer, then send it back.
Send it back how?
2 little words. What about you? Or how about you?
So if you ask, what do you do on weekends? I answer, then say, what about you?
Yes. Now the ball is in my court again. The conversation breathes.
So I'm never the only one talking.
Right. And you're never the only one silent either.
What about you? Is my new favorite phrase.
Better than from work and a cup of juice.
Much better.
Answer, then ask back. Balance keeps it alive.
Let's practice answering and asking back.
Okay.
So, what do you usually do after work?
I usually cook something and watch a show. It relaxes me. What about you?
I go for a walk, actually.
Oh, nice. Where do you like to walk?
Beautiful. You answered, asked back, then reacted and asked again.
The ball never dropped.
That's a real conversation, Leo. Not a test. A game you both enjoy.
Enjoy, not survive.
Exactly.
Sometimes a topic ends, and that's fine. Just change it smoothly.
How do I change the topic without it feeling strange?
Little bridges. By the way, speaking of that, that reminds me.
So if we were talking about food, I can say, speaking of food, have you tried the new cafe?
Perfect bridge. It connects the old topic to the new one.
So I don't need a perfect new idea. I just build a small bridge.
Yes, the bridge makes the change feel natural.
By the way, Emma, this tennis is easier than real tennis.
See? You built a bridge and made a joke. You're dangerous now.
I'm keeping the ball alive.
Let's practice changing topics smoothly.
Okay.
So, the movie was 3 hours long. I was so tired.
3 hours. By the way, are you doing anything this weekend?
Not much. Maybe I'll relax at home.
That sounds nice. Speaking of relaxing, have you found any good shows lately?
Excellent. 2 smooth bridges, no awkward jump.
The conversation just turned a corner.
And nobody noticed the corner. That's the skill.
Smooth, not sudden.
Perfect. Remember our tennis game? Here's the deep secret.
Tell me the secret.
A good conversation is not about you talking well. It's about keeping the ball moving together.
So I don't need perfect English.
No, you need curiosity. People love someone who keeps the ball in play.
That's why the man at the party walked away. I dropped the ball.
You did. But now you know how to catch it.
React, add, ask, and ask back.
That's the whole game. Simple, but powerful.
I'll never blame my English again. I'll just keep the ball moving.
Beautifully said, Leo. Let's lock in your rescue lines, the ones for when your mind goes blank.
Give them to me.
To react, oh, really? That's interesting.
Oh, really? That's interesting. Yeah, that one saves me.
To add, that reminds me of...
That reminds me of my puppy story. I can always add something.
To ask, what happened next?
What happened next? An open door, not a wall.
To ask back, what about you?
What about you? My favorite escape.
See how you used each one in your own way? That's how you own them.
Not repeating.
Using. Exactly.
Quick quiz. I'll give the moment, you give the move.
Bring it on.
I say, I just got back from Italy. What's your reaction?
Oh, really? That's amazing. How was it?
React and ask. Nice. Next, The topic just died. What do you grab?
A safe topic. By the way, any plans for the weekend?
Perfect bridge. Next, I ask, what music do you like? You answer. Then?
I ask back. What about you?
Excellent. Last one. Your mind goes totally blank. What's your emergency line?
That's interesting.
Tell me more. You're ready. No more juice moments. Now let's keep one full conversation alive. We just met.
Okay. React, add, ask.
Hi, I'm Emma. Great party, right?
Hi, Emma. I'm Leo. Yeah, it's so much fun. The music is great. How do you know the host?
We used to work together. What about you?
Oh, nice. We're neighbors, actually. Speaking of neighbors, have you lived around here long?
About 2 years. I love it here.
Really? What do you like most about it?
The quiet mornings and the little cafe on the corner.
Oh, I love that cafe. Their coffee is dangerous. I could drink it all day.
3 cups a day, right?
You remembered.
And that, friends, is a conversation that never dropped the ball. Let's review your map.
I've got it, but let's lock it in.
First, when the ball comes, you...
React.
Really?
That's interesting.
Then you...
Add. A little detail of my own.
Then you...
Ask. An open question.
And when they ask you something...
Answer. Then ask back. What about you?
And if the topic dies...
Grab a safe topic and build a little bridge.
That's the whole game. You'll never run out of words again. Leo, think back to that party.
The juice moment.
If that man appeared right now, what would you do?
I'd say, from work. We're on the same team. How about you? How do you know the host?
React, add, ask back. The ball stays in the air.
No silence. No juice. Just a real conversation.
That's the whole lesson in one moment.
Now it's your turn. Here's our question of the day.
In the comments, finish this line. Someone says, I had a long day. Write your reaction and one question back.
Like, oh no, really? What happened?
If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to the English Room for more real English conversation practice.
Remember, you don't need more words. You just need to keep the ball moving.
React, add, ask, and the silence never wins.